Welcome to Auto Vibe Garage, the destination where performance meets luxury and every machine tells a story. Today, we bring you the pinnacle of German engineering and design the Audi A8. This full-size luxury sedan represents more than just transportation. It's a statement of refinement, power, and cutting-edge innovation. The Audi A8 is a flagship model that blends elegance with performance in a way few other cars can. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the A8 commands attention with its sharp lines, signature single-frame grille, and matrix-LED headlights that not only look futuristic but also adapt to your surroundings with precision. The body is sculpted with a quiet confidence. See a long, wide, and low slung, hinting at the power that lies beneath its surface. Under the hood, the Audi A8 offers a range of powertrains, including a turbocharged V6, a powerful V8, and even a plug-in hybrid variant. Every version is paired with Audi's legendary quattro all-wheel drive system, delivering exceptional grip and control in all conditions. The ride quality is exceptional thanks to adaptive air suspension, which glides over imperfections while keeping the cabin isolated from the outside world. Performance is delivered smoothly, with a sense of effortlessness that defines true luxury. Step inside, and the cabin greets you with pure sophistication. Premium materials, precision craftsmanship, and advanced technology all work together to create a space that's both indulgent and intuitive. The dual touchscreen MMI system offers seamless control over everything from navigation to entertainment, while the fully digital virtual cockpit places key information directly in your line of sight. Rear passengers are treated to executive-class comfort, with available reclining seats, massage functions, and individual climate controls. What truly sets the Audi A8 apart is its technology. From predictive active suspension that scans the road ahead to advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise assist and lane centering, the A8 is engineered not just to drive, but to think. Even the interior lighting and sound insulation are finely tuned to create an atmosphere of calm and control. For those who demand both performance and prestige, the Audi A8 stands at the intersection of innovation and elegance. It's not just a car, it's an experience that defines modern luxury. If you appreciate machines that combine power, intelligence, and grace, the A8 is a masterpiece worth your attention. Thank you for watching Auto Vibe Garage. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most extraordinary automobile, where every detail matters, and every engine has a soul. Welcome to Auto Vibe.